Genesis G80 repairs in my area. Genesis Motors is the luxury division of Hyundai Motor Group, a relatively new luxury brand. Genesis makes a lineup of precisely engineered high-end models that stand out for their unmistakable styling and impressive performance specs. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, please refer to the official Genesis website or contact a Genesis dealership. Here are some notable features commonly found in the 2020 Genesis G80. Servicing your Genesis G80 involves regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance, reliability, and longevity of your vehicle. Here are some general guidelines for Genesis G80 service. Keep in mind that specific service requirements can vary based on factors such as the model year, mileage, and driving conditions. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended service intervals and specifications. Here are some common service items. Oil change. Regular oil changes are crucial to keep the engine properly lubricated. Genesis typically recommends synthetic oil, and oil changes are usually required every 7,500 to 10,000 miles or as specified in your owner's manual. Tire rotation. Rotating tires helps ensure even wear and extends tire life. Genesis recommends tire rotation every 7,500 miles or as specified in your owner's manual. Brake inspection. Regular brake inspections are essential for safety. Check the brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid during routine maintenance. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off essential fluids such as engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant. Air filter replacement. The engine and cabin air filters should be inspected regularly and replaced if necessary to maintain optimal engine performance and air quality inside the vehicle. Battery inspection. Check the battery for corrosion and secure connections. Replace the battery if it is older or showing signs of weakness. Alignment check. If you notice uneven tire wear or the vehicle pulling to one side, it may be time for a wheel alignment. Spark plug replacement. Check your owner's manual for the recommended interval for spark plug replacement. Worn spark plugs can affect engine performance. Inspection of belts and hoses. Regularly inspect belts and hoses for signs of wear or damage and replace them as needed. Cooling system maintenance. Ensure the proper functioning of the cooling system by checking coolant levels and performing a cooling system flush if recommended by the manufacturer. Transmission service. Depending on your G80's model year and transmission type, there may be a recommended interval for transmission fluid changes or flushes. For more accurate and model-specific information, it's recommended to consult your Genesis G80 owner's manual or contact your local Genesis dealership. They can provide you with the specific maintenance schedule and address any model-specific service requirements.